The road here comes the Destiny Japan. Good movement forward. Kosa shows great strength as Japan goes down again. The fans of goalkeeper.
That was the earlier incident there. We'll see if there was any foul there. Listen, anywhere else on the pitch, that's possibly a foul. It's nowhere. He's not getting to the ball. It's actually shoving the man. Gets his hand away from his body. It's a push.
Cross is low. Caleb Amankwa doesn't deal with it well. Zeze with a ball looking for Isaac Opon. Isaac Opon goes down. There's a shot for a penalty. Salamia Bless doesn't see anything in that.
That Kotoko, we're claiming that should be a pen. Should see that again. I tell you what, I think Isaac Opon might have just been pulled there by Enzo. That's a foul. That's that.
Mukwala for the Porcupine Warriors. It is Mukwala. He goes down. No foul and no penalty. So that's the penalty shout.
Keep an eye on Caleb Amankwa's leg. He steps across his man. And if he makes contact with him, I hope we do see there's contact here. Listen, that's a...
Yes, all is set for the big clash. Your friend is super clash. Our channel go point out my class post stadium game no e bass what I say. Hey, some the coach bow, man for coach and mo, or channel match no what I say. Yeah, I ready. Mona more to kwa monko na ye or channel 3 points. No dine they go back to Kumasi what I say now. Asante Kotoko the team update about injury updates no. I must say Yusuf Mubarak has returned to training, but the game has come too early for him. Per way I say Yusuf Mubarak were out, Maxwell Ajimaye out, Rashid Norte out, Isaac Opon out, and no any protocol for extra our website for say Rashid Norte the late fitness test with me and passing omo free as he said the justice blame kwa and utimi make list no sana pede protocol for air cano sana etie ewo ho omo the team updates about to join we Osman Ibrahim any Isaac Osman Ibrahim and Nicholas Mensah we omufima na say one mark nyina available per post per update no mo dey aba no na topic ba kwa say ka ho asem pa officiating na ochina be koso ewo Accra Sports Stadium officiating yesramo GFA this is Munfa FIFA referee behind the Kotoko game da yesramo ala Monkasa nkyere abrante na oba no yesramo ye dem say dey benya penalty because heart for mu pentwa papa sa Dennis Kosa eni kunedi yadom no masa nim nada ye be jusu o nso eti ball ni de omu gina say omu try na penalty amonye because first leg no yesu anyansa wo what you say first leg no de omu de ye yen yesu anyansa wo papa eno ne kokobo ayede e ma mo pese game no bibia ye wi na sumdwe ba no bia fa no baby din dia mumman kasa nche referee na ball no obedi no oni ni fair ball no mo share na go a monye yes ye share na go a monye ye nya penalty a monye eno na ye ka no mo ma game ni nye fair cause na say Kotoko ya suffer too much from officiating eno na de ye ka e dey sorry so we am last video for the day yanko ya mo chana King Kobe the more videos ebebremo from the Accra Sports Stadium what I say so tell them I'm phone say more stories more updates ebeba about the game I'm phone say be some baby